welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to understand how you can create a WhatsApp agent for your own resort. So here on the screen, you can see a WhatsApp agent that I've already created to automate the customer support for my resort using this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now here, before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually it works for my own business by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my business WhatsApp number using my another WhatsApp account. So this is my another WhatsApp account and this is my business WhatsApp number. So I'm going to drop the text as, hey, I need help. Alright, so we're going to drop this message. And it says, absolutely, what you need help with, I'm here to assist you. So now I'm going to ask some basic FAQs that I regularly receive from my customers to see how the AI assistant replied to all my customer queries. So the first question is, what do you offer? And here you can see we have received a proper answer where we have received all the activities that a resort offer. Now I'm going to ask another question as, tell me about accommodations. And here you can see we have received all type of categories that we offer in our resort. Now I'm going to ask another question as, do you allow pets? And here you can see we have received a successful response for this question. Now I'm going to ask another question as, are meals included in the room price? And you can see we have received the answer for this question as well. Now I'm going to ask the last question as, is early check-in possible? And here you can see we have received the proper answer for this question as well. So this was the working of this amazing WhatsApp agent that I've created for my own resort. And now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this agent for your own resort using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to access the Pabbly Chatflow, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here, before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is the space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard. And here I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to connect your number, you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button. And here you can see two options. One is WhatsApp Connect and the other one is Manual Token Connect. So WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. That means you must use this method to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And now here, if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the video link available in the description box below and on our YouTube channel as well. Alright, this was all about how to add the WhatsApp number. Now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So here, if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. So as you all know that in this video, we are going to create a WhatsApp agent for our resort business. So we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that is AI Assistant. Now here in this AI Assistant, you can see the total number of AI assistants, number of active AI assistants and number of inactive AI assistants in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now here to create a new one, you need to click on this add AI assistant button. Then here you need to give your name to your assistant and then you need to click on this add button and it will direct you to the flow window like this. So as you all know that I've already created an assistant for my own resort business using this application. So now in this video, I'm going to give you a short brief of this entire process step by step without wasting your time to how to create this agent for your own business. Alright, so now here after getting directed to the flow window, you need to select the instruction type first by clicking on the drop down menu. So here the first option is custom prompt. You can add your prompt if you want or else you can use some predefined examples such as AI agent, customer customer support agent, and many more. For now, I've selected the AI agent, and as soon as I've selected the instruction type, automatically some basic instructions are updated in this column. You can add more instructions as per your requirement. Then comes AI configuration. So the first one is temperature. It says set how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So here I wanted to receive more focused answers from my assistant, so I've set it as 0.4, but you can set it accordingly. Then comes the select AI to use. So I've selected the AI as OpenAI, and for the model I've selected GPT-4o Mini from the drop down. You can select it accordingly. Then comes the API keys. So it says OpenAI uses API keys for authentication. Kindly visit your OpenAI API keys page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So by clicking on this hyperlink given over here, it will direct you to the API keys window of your OpenAI account. So it easily got directed because here I was already logged in my OpenAI account. Now you have to reaching out to the API keys window. You need to create a new secret key over here. Then here you need to give a name to your key. You need to select the project, and after that you need to click on this create secret key, and then you're going to receive the API key. You need to copy that key and you need to add it over here in this particular field. After that you need to click on this connect button to save your OpenAI key in your AI assistant. Make sure you're using a paid OpenAI account key over here. Alright, then comes the AI assistant settings. So the first one is header message. So here to add the header message, you need to turn on this button, and here you need to add the message. So it says enter the header text to append at the top of messages. Maximum of 60 characters are allowed. Same goes with the footer message as well. For now, I'm going to turn off them both. Alright, then comes the stop keywords. So it says enter keywords that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So let's understand the settings with the help of an example. So let's suppose that I want to add my keyword as human. So for that, I'm going to type the keyword first, and then I'm going to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. Now whenever my customer is going to send this particular keyword on my WhatsApp chat, then instantly my assistant is going to stop replying to that chat, and it is going to get intervened. That means only a human can reply to that chat further. Alright, this was how the stop keyword works in the case of this assistant. For now, I'm going to turn it off. Then comes the retry attempts. So it says specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So here you can specify the number of retry attempts that you want to give to your customer to get a proper reply from your assistant. For now, I'm going to turn it off. Then comes the fallback message. So it says enter the message to display when the assistant API is not responding correctly. So basically, whenever a API does not respond correctly to your customers, then automatically this fallback message will be sent to your customer's WhatsApp chat. So here I've used a default message where in the end I've added my support ID that says feel free to ask at support@test.com. But you can update this message as per your requirement. This basically happens in the API key expiration. Then comes the knowledge source. So it is the most important section of your AI assistant. By providing a knowledge source, your assistant will reply to all your customer queries very correctly and promptly. So I've already created a knowledge source of my own business in the Google Doc, where I've added all the details about my business, such as who we are, our mission, what we offer, also the each and every detail about our property, room types, pricing, dining options, and also I've added some basic FAQs that I regularly receive from my customers with their answers, so that my assistant can reply to all my customer queries very correctly and promptly. So now after creating this knowledge source, you need to download this file either in the PDF format or in a plain text format, because only these formats are supported inside Pabbly Chatflow. So now after downloading the file, you need to upload the same over here like this. So now here to upload the file, you need to click on this option, and then you need to select the file that you want to upload, and then you need to click on this open button, and it is going to upload the file over here like this. Then comes the assistant interface. So the first one is header display heading name. So basically here you need to give your brand name. I have given mine, that is Sunrise Cove Resort and Spa. Then comes the header display subheading name. So here I have used a default subheading that says we are online and happy to assist you, but you can update it as per your requirement. Then comes the initial messages. So it says enter each message in a new chat bubble. You can add only 2 initial message. So one is added by the default that says hi there, how can I help you today? So you can remove this message and you can add 2 initial message as per your requirement. Then comes the display the powered by Pabbly label. So you can see it is displayed over here. You can simply disable it from the drop down, but I'm going to keep it as enable only. Then comes the footer text and and footer link. So it says you can use this to add a disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy. And for the footer link, it says footer text will turn as link if you add link. If you does not add link, footer text will be shown as text only. So basically businesses use the settings to add their privacy policy hyperlink in the assistant. But if you don't want to add a link, then you can simply add a footer text and it will be shown as text only. For now, I've used the sample details. Then comes user first message. So it says this message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from the user. So as you all know that I started my conversation with my AI assistant as, hey, I need help. So this is my user first message over here. Alright, then comes the styling section. So under this you can style your assistant as per your requirement. You can change the theme mode to light or dark. I'm going to keep it as light only. Then you can change the assistant shape to circle, square or rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle only. Then you can update the assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp button color and many more. For now I have used the basic one, but you can update it as per your requirement. Then you can update a header profile picture, assistant profile picture or a background picture as well for your assistant. For now I have not uploaded any media. Alright, so these were the steps to how to create this assistant in Pabbly Chatflow. Now after creating this assistant, you need to activate the same over here by enabling this button, and then you need to click on the save as assistant button to save the entire process that we have performed till now. Alright, so now after saving the assistant, let me tell you that you can also embed this assistant on your websites by clicking on this button, and then here you're going to receive the script code. You need to copy this code and you need to add it on your website. Alright, so now here after setting up the AI assistant, let me tell you that you need to assign this assistant to your WhatsApp chats as well. So now here to assign this assistant to your WhatsApp chats in bulk, what you need to do is that you need to click on the settings, and from here you need to access inbox settings. For now I'm going to open it in a new tab. Now here in this inbox settings, I'm going to scroll it little down, and in the last you can see the option of AI auto reply settings. So here you need to enable the AI auto replies, and there you need to, and then here you need to select the contact list on which you want to assign the assistant, and then here you need to select your assistant name. After that you need to click on the save button, and then automatically your assistant will get assigned to all your contacts who lie under this contact list. This was how you can assign your assistant to your WhatsApp chats in bulk. Now let me tell you that you can also assign your assistant to your WhatsApp chat individually. So for that you need to access this inbox section, and then you need to select the specific chat. After that you need to enable this button, and then you need to select the assistant that you want to assign. And with this we have successfully learned the entire process of creating this AI assistant. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.